Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Triumph Bonneville T120. That's 1200 cc's of big bore twin power on this awesome retro sport Gold Line edition. Come on down and make your big bore retro sport bike dreams come true for just $10,999. This thing only has 549 miles. You gotta be kidding me. Brembo brakes, fork gators, fuel injected, liquid cooled. I love the brown seat. It's got the tank pads just like the old days. Don't let this one get away. It's not going to be here long. We have finance. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Did I mention 549 miles? This thing is a torque monster. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.